corners of the footballing world. No decibels spared in this collective chorus.
Unable to make it happen for all his good intentions.
Cherubini. Well, I wouldn't quite advise they should resort to risk taking at this stage. There's plenty of time left in.
Some beautiful simplicity about this contest.
It's a closely contested affair. Anderson deals with it effortlessly.
So we're straight back at